Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a successful social media manager? A fascinating question indeed, as we navigate our way in this digital age where social media has become the pulse of our personal and professional lives. From the latest trends to the buzz around the block, everything finds its way on these platforms. Now, the role of a social media manager is to ride this wave, harness its power, and channel it towards the growth of businesses and brands. It's a role that combines creativity and strategy, an understanding of consumer behavior, and an eye for the latest trends. It's about creating engaging content, analyzing performance, and building a thriving online community. It's about being the voice of a brand and forging real connections with its audience. Becoming a successful social media manager starts with cultivating a unique set of skills. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, content creation reigns supreme. It's not just about snapping a photo and adding a catchy caption anymore. It's about crafting stories that resonate with your audience. It's about understanding the nuances of each platform, knowing what type of content works best, and being able to create it consistently. Whether it's short, snappy tweets, visually stunning Instagram posts, or engaging Facebook updates, a social media manager must be a master of all trades. Equally important is the skill of analytics interpretation. Social media is much more than just likes and shares. It's about understanding audience behavior, knowing what they engage with, and why. As a social media manager, you'll need to delve into the data, interpret the numbers, and translate them into actionable insights. What time is your audience most active? What type of content do they engage with the most? Answering these questions can help you create a more effective social media strategy. Finally, let's talk about community management. Social media is all about building relationships, and as a social media manager, you're the bridge between the brand and its audience. You're responsible for fostering a positive brand image, managing customer queries, and even handling crisis situations. This requires excellent communication skills, a high level of empathy, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to enhance the brand's image and deepen its connection with the audience. So as you can see, being a social media manager is about much more than just posting updates. It's about content creation, analytics interpretation, and community management. It's about understanding the audience, creating engaging content, and fostering a positive brand image. Now that you know the skills required, let's explore the tools that can aid you in your journey. In a world that is increasingly digital, having the right tools can make a world of difference. As a social media manager, you'll find yourself juggling multiple tasks at once, from scheduling posts to analyzing performance metrics. Fortunately, there's a myriad of software out there designed to streamline these processes and boost your productivity. First off, let's discuss scheduling platforms. These tools allow you to plan and arrange your content in advance, ensuring a consistent and regular posting schedule. Buffer and Hootsuite are two of the most popular options. They offer features like calendar views of your scheduled content, the ability to post across multiple platforms, and even suggested best times to post based on your audience's activity. Next, we have content creation tools. Canva is an excellent example, offering user-friendly design templates perfect for creating engaging social media posts. It's a go-to for many social media managers who might not have extensive graphic design skills, but still desire to produce visually stunning content. Now let's not forget about analytics tools. These are essential for understanding how your content is performing and identifying areas for improvement. Google Analytics is a powerhouse in this domain, providing detailed insights into website traffic, user behavior, and much more. Similarly, platform-specific analytics tools, such as Instagram Insights or Twitter Analytics, can provide valuable data about your audience and how they interact with your content. Another vital tool in your arsenal should be a social listening tool. Platforms like Sprout Social or Brandwatch allow you to monitor what's being said about your brand across the internet, helping you to stay ahead of any emerging trends or potential crises. Lastly, project management tools such as Trello or Asana can help you stay organized, keep track of tasks and deadlines, and collaborate with team members or clients. Remember, each tool has its unique features and benefits, so it's important to choose the ones that best suit your needs and the needs of your clients. Having the right tools is just the beginning. Next, we'll discuss how you can attract clients and grow your business. Attracting clients is a crucial step in your journey as a social media manager. It's the bridge that connects your skills and software understanding to monetary compensation. But how exactly do you get clients? Let's uncover 3 powerful strategies. The first strategy is networking. This old-school method is just as valuable today as it ever was. Personal relationships are the bedrock of business. Attend industry events, join online forums, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly. Engage in conversations, share your insights, and let people know how you can help them. Remember, your network is your net worth. The second strategy is leveraging freelancing platforms. These digital marketplaces connect you with clients from all corners of the globe. Sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are teeming with businesses in need of social media management. Create a compelling profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. Be patient, it may take time to land your first client, but once you do, the ball starts rolling. Lastly, build your personal brand. In the digital age, your online presence is your business card. Create a professional website, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and use social media to demonstrate your expertise. Share valuable content, engage with your audience, and position yourself as a thought leader in the industry. Remember, people do business with people they like and trust, so let your personality shine through. That said, it's important to note that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to client acquisition. What works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right mix of strategies that aligns with your personality and business goals. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Client acquisition is a process that requires time, effort, and persistence. Keep refining your strategies, stay consistent, and success will follow. Once you have your clients, it's time to talk about the potential earnings in this field. Financial rewards are a significant part of any profession, and social media management is no different. Let's begin by talking about industry standards. In the world of social media management, compensation can vary greatly depending on several factors. On average, a social media manager in the United States can expect to earn between $40,000 to $70,000 per year. For those at the top of their game, the potential for 6-figure earnings is absolutely a reality. But what are these variable factors that impact income? Well, there's experience, for one. Just like in any industry, the more experience you have, the more you're likely to earn. Size and type of the client or company also play a crucial role. For instance, managing social media for a local small business won't typically pay as much as handling the social media presence for a multinational corporation. Your geographical location can also influence your earnings, with rates often higher in major cities. Freelancers, on the other hand, have the flexibility to set their own rates. As a rule of thumb, the more specialized your skills, the higher your rates can be. For instance, if you're not only managing social media, but also creating high-quality content and interpreting analytics, you can command a higher fee. Next, let's talk about opportunities for growth. The great thing about social media management is that it's a constantly evolving field. New platforms emerge, algorithms change, and audience preferences shift. This means there's always something new to learn and ways to expand your skill set. By staying ahead of trends, continually improving your skills, and demonstrating your value to clients, you can increase your earning potential significantly over time. It's worth noting that social media management can also be a launchpad to other careers in digital marketing. You may start as a social media manager, but with time, you could transition into roles like digital marketing strategist, content creator, or brand consultant. With the right skills, tools, strategies, and mindset, a career in social media management can be both fulfilling and lucrative. Becoming a successful social media manager requires a blend of creativity, analytical thinking, and business acumen. Let's take a moment to recap what you've just learned. The essential skills you need include content creation, analytics interpretation, and community management. You've learned about the recommended software tools that will enhance your efficiency, such as scheduling platforms and analytics tools. We've also discussed the effective strategies for acquiring clients, whether it's through networking, freelancing platforms, or building a personal brand. And lastly, we've delved into potential earnings, highlighting the industry standards, variable factors, and opportunities for growth in this field. It's a dynamic world, and the key to staying afloat is to keep learning, keep evolving. With dedication and continuous learning, you can harness the power of social media and become a successful social media manager. Remember, the digital world is ever evolving, and so should you.